Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a poll in your Facebook Messenger. Now let's begin. Do note that I am doing this in the web version of Messenger, and you can do it in your mobile as well. I'm already logged into my Facebook account, and what I want to do is simply go to the web version of Messenger. Here's Messenger right here. I'm gonna click on it. Do note that in order to create a poll, you should be a part of a group. If you don't know how to create a group, we have created a video regarding how to create group in Facebook Messenger. You can check that out as well. Right here is the group I had created with my friends. Right now, I simply want to create a poll, so let's look at that. In this tab right here, at the very bottom left, there's a plus icon. Simply click on it. Now a message like this will open up. You can either send a voice clip or create a poll. That's what we want to do, so let's click on create a poll button right here. Now in this new pop-up, here are some things like ask a question and add option. I'm simply gonna type in some random things. As you can see, you can continue adding as much options as you like. And once everything's okay, simply hit on this button called as create poll. And there you have it, you have successfully created a poll. In case you want to vote it, simply click on this vote button right here and vote on whichever one you wish. You can also add other options of your choice. Once everything's okay, simply hit on submit. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you create a poll in your Facebook Messenger account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.